What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be about the 4RUNNER. We're going to do a small mod to the 4RUNNER. I'm going to be installing the flexible side window deflectors. Let me show you that right here. I got these from Amazon, and yeah, I wanted to do this for a while. I have them here laid out on the table. I'm going to show you what the kit comes with, and we're gonna get started. It shouldn't be a long video, it's just gonna be simple. I've seen a couple of videos on YouTube, and by looking at the instructions here, it doesn't seem that difficult. So I'm gonna show you what we have here. This is what the kit came with. Okay, we have the left side, right side, front doors, front windows, and then these are the rears. Okay, alcohol prep pad for each side. We have a little tool here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna need it, but we'll see. Instructions, and that's all we get. We don't have much, so let's get started. Like I said, this one here is for the 4RUNNER. Nothing here now is ready to go. I already wiped them down. Not sure if you remember the Ford. I already did that to the Ford truck, to my F-150 a while back. You saw that. So let's get started, and here we go. Okay, we're getting the alcohol wipe ready to go. I'm gonna bring you in here with me so you can see what we're gonna do. Okay, so we're wiping these down. I'm gonna roll the window down more. Okay, there it is. I'm gonna get the tool. Now I know why that little tool is for. This tool, you get this alcohol wipe to get it inside the channel here, and this way the tape will stick to the inside of this channel. Let me get you on this side so you can see what I'm doing. Let's see. It's a little windy out here, guys, so I apologize for that. Okay, so there it is. So this is what we do with the little tool they gave you. I'm just gonna wipe down the inside of the channel like so. Get rid of all the dust and maybe oil from waxes or something like that. I don't know, but yeah, we need to clean this out. We're gonna do the same thing to the rear window. Same thing. Let's see, can you see that? We're gonna do the same thing for that, to that one here. Okay, okay. Yeah, you guys can see it was a little dirty, but now it should be ready to go. Okay, there it is. I'm gonna get the first one. I'm gonna get the first one now. Let's see. Okay, I'm taking the tape off now and all the wrapping. Let's see. Okay, I'm taking the tape off now. Can you see it? Yeah, you can. All right. Let's see. Came off with the entire thing. We just want to take the tape, the paper part off of it, not the actual adhesive. Okay. And this. Okay, here's the first one. Here we go. Let's see, hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. I'm gonna start with okay, there you go. I did the first part here. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so this part here has to go. Let me see if I can move this. Oh yeah, I can move the mirror. Okay, so this part has to go in there first, and the bottom of the visor has to be flush or touching the bottom part of this plastic here. Now the rest of it is going to be just folding it or shaping it with your hands like this. Okay, and then this thing goes in there. Oh, let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see, that one goes in there first. Okay, then start putting it in like so. Oh crap, it's a little tricky. It's a little tricky, guys, but this one here is there it is. There it is. You just gotta fold it and push it in like so. Man, it was a little scary there for a moment, but looks like I got it. You gotta fold it and shape it and twist it and do all kinds of crazy things to make it work, but it fits, it works, and I like it. Looks really good. Now I'm gonna roll the window up. Let's see what we get. Hopefully it's not gonna be too tight when I roll the window up. Oh, I heard some cracking. I guess it's molding. Huh. Okay. Okay, so the instructions clearly said once they are installed, we're supposed to leave the windows up for 72 hours. Don't roll them down. So that way the plastic and the gasket or the molding there shapes to what it needs to be. Looks good. All right, let's do the rear one now. Let's see how much easier this one is, or harder. I don't know. Let me get it. Okay, I got it right here. So I'm gonna repeat the process. Take all this plastic wrap off, and take this tape off. It's a little tricky taking this thing off. Okay. All right, so we are ready to install this one on the rear one, the rear door, the rear window. Okay, so the easiest way to do this, I've heard, is, and somebody said that, is by doing it this way. What you want to do is get it in here first, and then slide it down, and then bring it up to where we want it. Straight up, like that. Like that. Okay. There it is. Let me give it a try. Let's see, let's take a look from the inside. I want to see what the window does. I want to see what the window does when I roll the window up. Let's see. There's plenty of gap in between the window and the visor. Perfect. Perfect. Let's see. Oh, that looks good. That is good. Let me bring you guys a little closer from a different angle. Just a good maybe 1 inch or so in between the window, the glass, and the visor. And the fitment is perfect. The fitment is right there. Okay guys, I'm done with the passenger side now. As you guys saw on the driver's side, the same way I did the driver's side, I repeated the process here on the passenger side, and let me tell you, they look great. The fitment is perfect. I didn't have any problem whatsoever, and yeah, I do recommend these. I bought these at Amazon. I think they were like 60 bucks or something like that. But yeah, this is one more mod done to the 4Runner. Okay, thank you guys for watching my channel. If you guys have any questions, any comments, just put them down in the section down below. And thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Yeah, all right, thank you guys. See you guys later. See you guys on the next one. Peace.